What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. It's Friday afternoon. It's about 3:30, December 5th, I believe it is. Just going to show you just a couple highlights of the disasters that we encountered this week. Enjoy.
I'd like to know who was the genius who put this boiler in this crawl space. And a Repco. No, HydroTherm. Sorry. HydroTherm gas-fired boiler with a millivolt gas valve. Is the pilot on? Pilot is on. But we ain't got no heat. Oh my God, look at that water heater. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Wow. Just when you thought you've seen it all, folks. All right, so we turned on zone 4, which is the third floor. The third floor. Oh my God. That's on. And the third floor is that one. And it's hot to the touch. I see this was installed on May 6, 24.
Maybe the system needs draining upstairs.
Maybe we'll see.
You kidding me, really?
You gotta love it when idiots do things like this. This is beyond dumb.
It is. I'm sorry about that. Unless you need more space to get in, we just pull it to the...
No, that's fine. Let's leave it there, yeah. And let's not forget the service call today when the emergency boiler switch was off. Weil-McLain CGA-5. No power. Nope. All right. Where's the switch? See, that is not B vent. Unbelievable. Hey, put one little piece there, make it look like a B vent, and I'll show you the termination outside, even more chaotic. So here's that piece of fake B vent. Well, it's a real B vent 90. Going to this dryer vent. So I'm going to use that 4-inch dryer, and it is dryer vent because look how thin-walled it is. See? It's dryer vent. Look at all the holes.
There's one, there's like 2 here, 1 here.
Yeah.
How old is it?
Not that old. Not that young either. Let's feed the people. How old is it? Wow. It was manufactured in September 2015.
Just a couple. Actually, that one's pretty big.
Oh yeah. It's a hole. Yeah. And you know, there are some HVAC YouTubers. Pinky size hole, yeah. And there are some, unfortunately, HVAC YouTubers that think it's okay, it's not dangerous. Can you believe that? Oh, let's see the shirt. Damn, Derek looking brolic.
Yeah, it's a cool shirt.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you wearing?
It fits him better than you.
It looks like nice material.
Penny wanted you to have it.
You want it? I'm just wearing the
ACIQ, baby. Observation though, this machine can never be serviced because it lacks any valves and important temperature and pressure safety valve on the domestic water line.
Could it be downstairs?
Nope. Operation couldn't be any easier. Okay. What am I, retarded here? Okay. Easy peasy.